Hey everyone, my name is Ria Ahuja. I'm a product manager at Amazon Global Selling, here to talk about the Export Navigator tool. When you're starting your exports journey, compliance becomes a very important step. At each stage, whether it be shipping, payments, tax, compliance from source country as well as a destination country becomes important. Amazon's Export Navigator tool is a one-stop dashboard that provides guidance at each step of your way. Starting with the export registration. When you're just starting out exports journey, it tells you about what are the key licenses that you need. Say for example, for one of the licenses like IEC code, it gives you an overview of what that license is, how you can apply by yourself, following the self-registration steps, which gives you access to links, what documents you need to prepare, or if you're stuck at any point of the time, you can always click on request assistance, go to the card and confirm assistance, and our expert service providers will help you to get your licenses. When we start our journey, it's all these 4 licenses which an Indian exporter needs to export from India, along with your product-related compliance requirements. I have searched for apparel category here, which tells you, okay, what are the mandatory labeling requirements, as well as gives you more information on how you can manage these requirements. When you're starting to ship your product, what is the shipping process looks like? What's the right channel for me? And hey, what are the shipping documents that I need to fulfill to successfully ship my shipment? And followed by a lot of recurring requirements like, say, payments. Once I get paid from Amazon, what are the steps that I need? What are the 2 key requirements, which is FIRC and BRC, that I need to successfully export and be compliant with the RBI guidelines? Lastly, it also tells you about what are the tax documentation requirements, both in India and US, as well as export incentives, which is provided by Government of India. Improve your profitability and become a successful exporter. Like I said, this portal is the right partner for you at each stage of your exports journey. If you're stuck at any point in your exports journey and are looking for compliance as a help, this tool is the right stop for you. You can raise a request assistance, expert service providers can help you, or learn more about all your requirements at this one-stop dashboard, Export Navigator. Thank you.